Welcome to Chitchat English Sentence Structure. Do you want to improve your English? Do you want to speak English more confidently? Do you want these results as fast as possible? If you want to improve your English speaking and writing practice every day with this channel, please get my online English lesson slide below. This video, we're going to teach you the best ways to build perfect common advanced verb phrases, expressions, idioms, and phrasal verbs of everyday English speaking practice from letter A to Z. This unit is based on definitions and examples from beginner to advanced lessons with the best 20 multiple choice questions and answers. Watch the video's slide many times to remember and use it more easily and confidently. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe this video to support the channel. Let's improve English speaking and writing skills together. This video will help you to practice more clearly in English. Let's get started. Part 2, 20 multiple choice with 20 answers. This video slide has 2 parts to help you practice more confidently. Part 1, learn common verb phrases with expressions. Part 2 has got 20 quiz questions with multiple choice answers. Let's look at each part below. Part 1, learn verb phrases with mention, miss, mistake, mock, model, modify, monkey, motivate, move. These verb phrases are often used in conversations, formal writing, and daily interactions. Understanding their meaning and usage will help learners communicate more clearly and confidently. Number 1. Number 01. To mention something to somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to speak about something briefly to someone. Example 1. She forgot to mention the meeting to her boss. Example 2. Please mention your concerns to the manager. Number 2. To miss a bird. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to fail to hit or catch a bird, literal or figurative in hunting. Example 1. He aimed carefully but missed the bird. Example 2. The hunter missed a bird even at close range. Number 3. To miss an opportunity. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to fail to take advantage of a chance. Example 1. Don't miss an opportunity to learn something new. Example 2. She missed the opportunity to apply for the scholarship. Number 4. To miss the point. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to fail to understand the main idea. Example 1. You completely missed the point of the discussion. Example 2. He thinks it's about money, but he missed the point. Number 5. To mistake somebody for somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to wrongly identify someone as another person. Example 1. I mistook her for her twin sister. Example 2. He mistook me for a waiter. Number 6. To mistake something for something. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to wrongly identify one thing as another. Example 1. He mistook salt for sugar. Example 2. They mistook the fake note for a real one. Number 7. To mock at somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to laugh at or make fun of someone. Example 1. Don't mock at his accent. Example 2. She was upset because her classmates mocked at her. Number 8. To model oneself upon somebody. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to try to behave or act like someone. Example 1. He models himself upon his father. Example 2. Many actors model themselves upon their idols. Number 9. To model something after something. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to design something based on another thing. Example 1. The city is modeled after Paris. Example 2. The curriculum was modeled after international standards. Number 10. To modify one's decision. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to change or adjust a decision. Example 1. He modified his decision after hearing their opinions. Example 2. The company had to modify its decision about pricing. Number 11. To monkey about / around. Part of speech, verb phrase informal. Meaning, to behave in a silly or aimless way. Example 1. Stop monkeying around and start working. Example 2. The kids were monkeying about in the classroom. Number 12. To motivate somebody to do something. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to encourage someone to take action. Example 1. The coach motivated the team to work harder. Example 2. She motivated him to apply for the job. Number 13. To move off. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to start moving, especially vehicles or groups. Example 1. The bus moved off after picking up passengers. Example 2. The crowd slowly moved off from the square. Number 14. To move on. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to leave a place or topic and go to another. Example 1. After a short stop, they moved on to the next town. Example 2. Let's move on to the next question. Number 15. To move out. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to leave a place where you live. Example 1. They moved out of the old apartment last week. Example 2. She plans to move out after graduation. Number 16. To move up. Part of speech, verb phrase. Meaning, to advance in position or rank. Example 1. He quickly moved up in the company. Example 2. The student hopes to move up to the next level. Part 2. 20 multiple choice with 20 answers. To test understanding of the meanings and usage of the expressions in this unit. To help learners practice choosing the correct phrase in context. To answer the multiple choice questions, we will give you a few minutes to re-watch the videos, slide step by step, and answer it carefully. Let's get started together. Number 1. She forgot the details to her colleague. A. To mention something to somebody. B. To move off. C. To monkey around. D. To modify one's decision. Letter A. Number 2. He aimed at the duck, but A. To model something after something. B. To miss a bird. C. To miss the point. D. To move up. Letter B. Number 3. Don't. It's your chance to win. A. To miss an opportunity. B. To move out. C. To monkey around. D. To model oneself upon somebody. Letter A. Number 4. You completely of a debate. A. To miss the point. B. To move on. C. To mock at somebody. D. To mention something to somebody. Letter A. Number 5. Her twin sister. A. To mistake something for something. B. To motivate somebody to do something. C. To mistake somebody for somebody. D. To modify one's decision. Letter C. Number 6. Salt for sugar. A. To model something after something. B. To mock at somebody. C. To mistake something for something. D. To move up. Letter C. Number 7. Stop. Your friends. It's rude. A. To mock at somebody. B. To monkey about. C. To mention something to somebody. D. To model oneself upon somebody. Letter A. Number 8. Many young players try their idols. A. To model something after something. B. To monkey about. C. To model oneself upon somebody. D. To motivate somebody. Letter C. Number 9. The park was European designs. A. To modify one's decision. B. To model something after something. C. To move on. D. To miss an opportunity. Letter B. Number 10. The manager decided, after feedback, A. To mock at somebody. B. To model oneself upon somebody. C. To modify one's decision. D. To move up. Letter C. Number 11. Stop and finish your homework. A. To monkey about / around. B. To move on. C. To motivate somebody to do something. D. To miss the point. Letter A. Number 12. The teacher tried students to study harder. A. To miss an opportunity. B. To motivate somebody to do something. C. To move out. D. To model something after something. Letter B. Number 13. The train slowly from a station. A. To move on. B. To move off. C. To monkey around. D. To model oneself upon somebody. Letter B. Number 14. Let's to the next item on the agenda. A. To move on. B. To move up. C. To miss the point. D. To mock at somebody. Letter A. Number 15. They plan of the city soon. A. To move out. B. To move up. C. To monkey about. D. To motivate somebody. Letter A. Number 16. She worked hard in her career. A. To move up. B. To model oneself upon somebody. C. To miss the point. D. To miss a bird. Letter A. Number 17. Please don't forget the deadline to him. A. To mock at somebody. B. To mention something to somebody. C. To move off. D. To modify one's decision. Letter B. Number 18. The company decided its original policy. A. To move up. B. To modify one's decision. C. To monkey about. D. To miss the point. Letter B. Number 19. He was embarrassed when friends began him. A. To mock at somebody. B. To miss the point. C. To move off. D. To model something after something. Letter A. Number 20. The architecture was an ancient temple. A. To miss a bird. B. To monkey around. C. To model something after something. D. To motivate somebody. Letter C.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.